imagine a program where you don't have to sell anything, but you make money. It sounds ridiculous, right? That's what I thought, when I seen it for the first time. But then I took a closer look at Live Good, how it works. You pay a $40 affiliation fee. Then you pay $9.95 per month for your affiliation, for your membership. Then what happens is the minute you sign up, okay, that $40 affiliation fee is a once-off. So you sign up, your name gets put into what they call the matrix. Now the matrix is like a multi-level system. So anybody that comes in after you is under you, and you can earn commissions from them like quite a ways down. I think like 15 levels down. So paint us a picture. You don't work, you don't do anything, you don't buy product, you don't do anything, you just sit there. So everybody that comes in under you, they start doing things. Then you earn your little bits of commission from these people. Okay, look, it's little, but when it gets duplicated, it becomes a lot. So over time, your matrix grows. And can you imagine if you actually put in some effort and start bringing in people, more people, quicker, faster? Can you imagine how this business will grow? Let's say 6 months or a year or 2 years later down the line. Here you could be making 2,000 Rand a month. No, sorry, it's not rands, it's dollars. $2,000 a month just by doing absolutely bugger all. Yes, it's going to take a few months to build, but you will be earning that income even if you do nothing. Can you imagine what will happen when you actually decide to work the business? So take a look at it. Okay, there is a link in this post. Go and take a look at it. Don't believe everything that I say, because I always say try things for yourself, and this is exactly what I did. I seen it a few months ago. I ignored it. I thought it was bullshit. And then I decided, listen, let's take a closer look at it, because I am into this digital marketing business. I am earning quite a few income streams at the moment as we speak. They're little, but they are building. So this is the newest one that I've gotten involved in. It cost me $40 to get my affiliation, and now it's costing me $9.95 per month. Okay, and your payouts get paid every week on a Thursday. It gets accumulated, and then of course you start earning monthly income after a few months as well. Okay, go and take a look at it. Do yourself a favor. We're all sitting here and we're doing nothing, but we are earning nothing. So you put in effort, you're gonna get rewards for it. I'm Gary. I help people earn money online. Go take a look at this. Do yourself a favor. I'll see you with my next video.